fast on my feet. From the red roads of Namibia to the green hills of Malawi, Trans-Africa calls, we roll through the wild, off the beaten tracks where the old stories hide. Under vast open skies, stars paint the night, campfires crackle hard.